It's around 4 a.m., just outside Charleston, South Carolina, and this convoy is moving everything needed for a much-anticipated concert happening later that night.
Hello, my name's Stewart with Outlaw Truckers. I'm an over-the-road truck driver. I've been driving for semis for about 7 years, specifically in the entertainment industry for the last 4.
This is a typical, entertainment load for a concert. I'll do video, lighting, stage, truss.
If we don't get to a show, the show doesn't happen.
When it was time to purchase his own trailer, Ray knew exactly what he needed to haul his customers' valuable cargo.
In the entertainment industry, it's all about quality, and so the industry standard pretty much is the majority of drivers have Great Dane, so I just wanted to go with the best.
Ray customized his Great Dane for optimum efficiency and durability, including one feature that was a priority after learning a hard lesson years earlier.
I haul general freight and forklift operator punched 2 holes in the roof of my trailer.
That repair cost him time and $2,500. So when he purchased this trailer, he included Great Dane's innovative puncture-resistant puncture guard lining, which delivers confidence and peace of mind that Ray will get the show on the road time after time.
We put trusses in last year, 16-foot trusses, and we had these bars set about right here. And we had 6 or 8 trusses, 16-foot long, that went up there. And you can see the dents and the scratches in the trailer where they push them up and they hit it. Well, this one, if they crack the light, it'd be the worst thing that happens. They crack the light, but we're sure not going through that puncture line.
Other customizations like lights on the top and bottom of the trailer and side ramps help Ray haul and load the heavy equipment more safely and efficiently. In the world of entertainment logistics, reliability is essential. That's why Ray and many others trust Great Dane.
If you're gonna buy something, buy a Great Dane.